Dear students of class 10th English UP Board 2020-21 students, in this English version bulletin we are before you with the latest and newly revised syllabus of class 10th English. Students, in this bulletin you will come to know which part has been removed and which chapters will continue in the session 2020-21 class 10th English. Students, you have been asking which chapters will be removed in the comment box. Now we are here on your requirement before you. Students, this is M. Rahman and you are attending ORAC classes of English language. Please to get all the updates and to get all the syllabus through our lectures, please don't forget to subscribe our channel ORAC classes of English language. And if you like our bulletin, and students, if you like our lectures, please don't forget to like, share and comment. Students, we will prepare the lectures based on your requirements which you will give us in your comment box. Now students, let's begin with the newly latest and newly revised syllabus. Students, in your prose English reader, chapter number 5 Torch Bearers has been removed. Our Indian music, stories and anecdotes that used to be chapter number 6 has also been removed. Students, in poetry, the nation builders has also been removed. In supplementary reader, my greatest Olympic prize has also been removed. In this way, students, from your syllabus 4 chapters have also been removed. In supplementary reader, students, you came to know there used to be 3 stories, but the story number 3 has been removed. Students, the selected chapters in English first are prose, the enchanted pool, a letter to God, the Ganga and Socrates. And students, in poetry, the fountain, the psalm of life, the village song, students, will continue in your syllabus. In supplementary reader, story number 1, the inventor who kept his promise, and the story number 2, the judgment seat of Vikramaditya, will remain in your syllabus as it is. This was the syllabus of English first literature students. Now let's have a look on the syllabus of English second grammar. Students, in English grammar there is a little change and I think you will observe it. That change has been given in the blue color part, and students, the syllabus written in the black color is as usual as used to be in the past years. Students, this is all about study material. You have to study parts of sentence. Parts of sentence means the subject and predicate, and this chapter may be in form of the rearrangement of words to make a proper sentence in your rearrangement. Students, the sentence type, you will have to study the sentence type means what is the structure of interrogative sentence, what is the structure of affirmative sentence, assertive sentence, exclamatory sentence, you will study in this chapter. Student, the third point is the verb. In this portion, student, you will learn the verb forms. You will learn all the verb forms, strong and weak verbs. Students, in 4 number, primary auxiliaries. Primary auxiliaries are be, have and do. Students, and next number 5 is modal auxiliaries. Modal auxiliaries is students. In this you learn can, could, may, must, might and other modals and their usage. Students, you will study negative and interrogative sentences, and this chapter may be in form of the transformation, in form of the interchange. Like you will be given a sentence and you will be instructed to change the sentence into an interrogative sentence or into a negative sentence, or positive interrogative or negative interrogative sentence. Students, in next part number 7, tense, form and use means present indefinite tense. All tenses you will study in this chapter, and this question may be given in your interchange. Means if you are given a sentence, he will go to Mumbai, and you will be instructed to change it into past indefinite, then you will write he went to Mumbai. Students, next question will be based on voice, active and passive. These questions are usual questions that were in the examination last year, but now the parts of speech. Student, this question will be new this in this session 2020-21, and students, this is to be focused by the teachers and the students as well, because what can we do in this chapter and what type of question will there be in the examination, we will have to focus that matter. Student, the parts of speech may be you know what the part of speech is. Part of speech is noun, pronoun, adjective, adverb up to conjunction and interjection. Then students, maybe there may be a word that can be used from noun to adjective, adjective to verb, verb to noun. There may be something like that. After that, number 10, reported speech, direct, indirect, and you know well about this portion. Students, new portion is here, word formation. Word formation. Students, 11 number, word formation. Now, what is word formation? It is the new question that is prescribed for the session 2020-21. Students, in this portion, you will be taught you will be taught prefix and suffix. Suppose you have a word satisfactory, dissatisfactory, balance, disbalance. You will learn prefixes and suffixes in this chapter. And then students, the next part is punctuation. Punctuation, comma, inverted commas, full stop, question marks, mark of exclamation, capital letters and others. Spelling, students, in this question you are given a word and a few letters are missing from that, and you have to fill the proper letters to make a useful and meaningful word. This is given. A pair of these two words were given in your examination in past years, and this will be as it is in this year 2020-21. After this, students, translation from Hindi to English will be in your syllabus. Students, after this, composition. Composition is called composition is called writing section. Writing section. A long composition is supposed to be in form of an essay. Means you will be given topics and you will write an essay on those headings. And student, this controlled composition. This controlled composition used to be given in the past years. In this question, you were given some words and blanks, and a story was used to be based on those words, and you had to find the sense of the story, and you had to write the story in your own words in the past years. Students, this question has come back, and you will learn how to complete an incomplete and guided story. Students, in part B, letter writing and application writing. Actually, letter and application are letters. Letters are supposed to be the letters written to be written to our neighbors, or to be written to our friends and relatives, and application are formal letters. In this way, informal and formal letters. Now, comprehension. Comprehension, students, is a long passage or a short passage given as unseen passage. Students, unseen means that you have never seen. It will be for the first time before your eyes in the question paper, and there will be questions based on that passage, and you will find out the answers of that questions. Then students, this is all of your newly prescribed syllabus, newly revised syllabus of class 10th English UP Board 2020-21. Students, I hope you have got everything from this lecture, from this bulletin, and I hope you will take a screenshot of this syllabus and you can mention it in your diary, and it will be very useful for you. Students, in our next bulletin, we will provide you with the question paper pattern, weightage, and you will come to know what type of questions will there be in the examination, and what will be the weightage of marks in that question paper. I hope you will get soon. And to get such type of bulletins and lectures, please subscribe our channel RSC Classes of English Language. And please, if you have any need and if you require any lecture based on anything, then you can write in our comment box. And students, if you have any suggestions regarding your completion of syllabus, then we will help you as far as possible. So please don't forget to comment to us, and please like, share and subscribe our channel RSC Classes of English Language. Thanks a lot.